Hey guys, Mav here. I'm going to show you a few clips of the MagnaFlow Overland exhaust. If you want this exhaust, you can go to optoffroad.com and use code MAV for a discount on it as well. I'll throw the link in the description. So let's get into it. We'll go from 0 to 45 here on the interior clip, and then we'll do a like a more aggressive 0 to 45, and so you can kind of hear the difference between the two. We'll get another 0 to 45, but a little bit more aggressive. Sorry if some of the stuff in the truck kind of moves around, but hopefully that helped give you kind of an idea of the sound clips of the MagnaFlow Overland exhaust. Again, like I said, you can get it from optoffroad.com and use the code MAV for a discount on the exhaust as well. So if you guys enjoyed, hit the like button, subscribe down below, and we'll be seeing you soon. Peace.